Hook. 3 months ago, I stopped using Google for research and switched entirely to Perplexity AI. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use it so you can save hours of research time every single week. Introduction. Perplexity AI is the fastest-growing AI search tool in 2026, and for good reason. It combines real-time web search with AI summarization to give you comprehensive answers with cited sources in seconds. Once you learn how to use it effectively, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Getting started, go to Perplexity.ai and create a free account. The free plan is incredibly generous and gives you access to all the core features. The Pro plan at $20 per month adds more powerful AI models and higher usage limits. The interface is simple. Just type your question in the search bar and hit enter. How to search effectively. The key to getting great results from Perplexity is asking specific, detailed questions rather than keyword searches. Instead of searching best AI tools, ask, what are the best free AI tools for content creators in 2026 and what are their main features? The more context you give, the more useful the answer. Use the follow-up questions feature to dive deeper into specific aspects of any topic. Advanced features. The Spaces feature lets you create dedicated research environments where you can upload documents and ask questions about them. This is perfect for researching specific topics, analyzing documents, or building a knowledge base around a subject. The Collections feature saves your best searches for future reference. Pro tips. Use Perplexity for any question where you need current accurate information. Always check the Sources panel to verify important claims. Use the Focus feature to limit searches to specific types of sources like academic papers, news, or YouTube. Combine Perplexity research with Claude Writing for the ultimate content creation workflow. Closing. Perplexity AI is one of those tools that immediately changes how you work once you start using it. The free plan gives you everything you need to transform how you research and learn. Go to Perplexity.ai right now and ask it your most pressing question. Subscribe for weekly AI tool tutorials and drop a comment telling me what you searched first.